That 3-inch
It echoes in here, so it's not going to sound. It's not going to sound exactly how it will sound driving it.
Yeah, the converters are going to tone it down a little bit.
Oh yeah, that's a whole lot better. Y'all, welcome back to It's a Daily, and today's a big day. Today's a long way today, and I'm pretty sure y'all have been waiting for this as well, about my exhaust system getting put on. It is currently 8:08 a.m. here in Lovell, Oklahoma. I'm trying to go as early as possible, so hopefully they can be done around like 9, maybe 10 o'clock the latest, and be the first customer. But basically, since my box can't fit my Mustang, which is this giant thing, what's gonna happen is I gotta take it out piece by piece and put it in my car. And fortunately I live on the 3rd floor, so it's going to be multiple trips. Hopefully we can make it in one, but we're going to see. I'm going to give y'all a layout about what everything looks like and what all comes with it as well. Give me 1 second and I'll give y'all a time lapse.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now?
Alright y'all, so this thing is kind of heavy too. So this is everything. It goes the dumps. Fortunately I gotta get dumps because I have the GT version. As much as I want the tip, nothing I can do about that. Maybe sometime in the future I could just cut out the end, the bumper, make like 2 circles for the tips come out, but that's for later on. I could just have it on a wall, something for the aesthetics. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the rest of this saran wrap, put this in my car, and then hopefully I can make it one trip. But I'm gonna give y'all one last sound clip of the exhaust that I have on stock and give y'all a cold start and a warm start, so let's see. One thing I forgot to mention is this is actually the magnaflow competition series. So on the American Muscle chart, it says like it's probably one of the loudest with the SLPs, loudmouth. So hopefully we can hear a huge sound difference when we install it. So I'll switch over to my phone just because my phone gives a better sound quality. I'm gonna show y'all what it sounds like. So this is this with a cold start. Not too bad. Now what we're gonna do is give it a couple minutes to warm up, and I'm gonna come back with y'all and then give y'all what it sounds like, a sound clip of what it sounds like warmed up. So see y'all in a few. Forgot to mention, so I'm trying to replace my new radio because this one that's aftermarket has no Bluetooth, and you know who doesn't do Bluetooth nowadays. So I'm gonna replace this. And guys, when I was taking this apart, this thing was so rigged. I'll show you in another video about like everything. Like, these people thought outside the box. It was pretty insane. I was pretty mad, but like it had me laughing too. And I may keep that idea just so I can save money instead of buying a console that changed it from the old standard stock radio to a single DIN radio. So I'll show y'all in another video, but just want to give you the next project I'm working on right now. It's replacing. All right y'all, so this is what it sounds like from the inside. Borla exhaust. And this is what it sounds like on the outside when it's all warmed up. Now, what it sounds like. I hope y'all heard that from the inside because it sounded really good. Apparently my roommate was telling me that he knew that I was home because he was able to hear me from outside with the exhaust. Because I usually like to haul ass. Well, not even haul ass, I like to push down a little on the gas pedal a little so the RPM's going, and it would get me spinning for a little bit. So woo, man, I can't wait to get this exhaust on. Y'all just don't know, I'm really excited. Like I said, I want this car to be loud as crap, and that's the goal. We're almost there. Got the loudest exhaust on the market for the price. Magnaflows, can't beat that. So I'm gonna go ahead and head to the shop, and I'm gonna get right back with y'all. Y'all, just give you a heads up, that is where I'm going out here in Norman, Oklahoma. It's called Performance Muffler. got pretty good stars and they're fairly cheap from what I talked to them. They say they're going to charge me like $100 to get this installed. So highly recommend it. Hopefully they're as good as what the comments say, but we'll see. So yeah, go ahead and head inside, get back. This place is lit, y'all. Look at that. Even got a watch window, and there she is. Getting it installed. Oh yeah.
Attack like we thought about doing.
Yeah.
I had used that station before.
Oh yeah.
That 3-inch
It
pipe
echoes
on
in
it,
here, so it's not going to sound.
badass.
It's not going to sound exactly how it will sound driving it.
Yeah, the converters are going to tone it down a little bit.
Oh yeah. That's a whole lot better. Alright y'all, first start up with the new exhaust. Woo-hoo-hoo. Guys, let's get a little rev going on. Oh yeah. Guys, shout out to Performance Mufflers here in Norman, Oklahoma. They did a terrific job. Fortunately, since it had the factory H-pipe in it, it was a huge house, so that's cut and weld some parts, but they got it working, they got it running, and this is definitely the exhaust to get. I don't know about LCPs, but having these magnaflows on definitely makes a difference. Woo-hoo-hoo! Shit! Oh man, I'm so excited. I'm like a kid right now. Holy crap. Oh man. Guys, I'm really excited, like hearing my roommates like impressions on it as well. Guys, this thing is loud. Hopefully the camera does it justice. If not, then I'm gonna use my phone as well when I actually get home to rev it a little. Yeah, I hope I hope my apartment complex doesn't mind it, because it's getting to that point where the next thing is the H-pipe and then the long tube headers and getting it cam. Woo! Man, that sounds good. Guys, that's insane how much of a difference a 3-inch, because the Bolo exhaust I had were 2.5-inch pipes, exhaust. And then getting the Magnaflow competition series, these are 3-inch tips. And guys, like that half of an inch makes a huge difference in it too. Like they were impressed like how much different it sounded as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and head home real quick, get my roommates to hear it. But yeah, see y'all in a few. Alright y'all, so it's like 7:00 p.m. here in Oklahoma. I know earlier I want to show y'all a reaction of my roommate, what he thinks about the new exhaust, but fortunately I locked my key in my trunk, and that was a huge hassle, so we had to break into my trunk, replace the locks on it, because that was something I want to do in the future, but I had to replace the lock just because of it. He's coming down here, we're heading to the library. This is what it sounds out. This is what it sounds like all warmed up. And when Danny comes, I'm gonna show him what it sounds like inside. Maybe I can hear it from out here as well. Holy crap. Oh, guys, that's only at 5,000 RPM. So excited. So we're still waiting on my roommate. I'm going to turn off the car until he comes and give y'all his reaction real quick. Alright, so y'all, this is Danny's reaction with the new exhaust. You ready? Ready, Danny?
Let's hear it.
Oh, that one sounds pretty. I guess it's not going to sound as good now since it's warmed up, but
I think it sounds pretty fucking sexy.
yeah, it sounds really good. especially like the cracking at 5,000 RPM, dude. You hear it cracking?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, but
That's awesome.
that's the new exhaust magnaflow competition series. Highly recommend it. It's the only way to go loud. Next thing is cams, and then headers, and then GT40 heads. Sorry it's dark, you know, nothing I can do with this Foxbody, but that's gonna wrap up the video. I hope you like the new exhaust system. See y'all in the next video.
That girl took my shit, ooh, say she wanna slip, ooh, left me